A Solitaire cash tournament bracket that stays stuck can be caused by the app failing to refresh its connection, a temporary game loading problem, or an issue with the tournament itself. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the tournament, check your connection, update Solitaire cache, and tell whether the problem is limited to one tournament. Start by completely closing Solitaire cache and reopening it. Do not just leave the tournament screen and return to it, because the same stuck screen can remain loaded in memory. Close the app from your phone's recent apps or app switcher, then launch Solitaire cache again and open the tournament. If the bracket is still frozen, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and then reopen the tournament. If the bracket loads after changing connections, the problem was likely related to the connection used when the tournament initially opened. Next, check the App Store or Google Play for a Solitaire cache update. Open the store, search for Solitaire cache, and install the update if the update button is available. Then restart the app and check the tournament again. If other parts of Solitaire cache work normally but one specific tournament bracket remains stuck, test another available game or tournament. This helps separate an app-wide problem from an issue affecting a particular event. You can also check whether your account is loading correctly. Open another part of the app that requires your account information, such as your profile or balance. If those details load normally while the tournament bracket does not, your account connection may be working, and the problem may be limited to the tournament screen. On Android, you can try clearing Solitaire cache's temporary cache through Settings, Apps, Solitaire Cache and Storage. Clear the cache rather than deleting the app. Then reopen Solitaire cache and test the tournament. On iPhone, close the app completely and reopen it. If that does not work, check for an iOS update and an available Solitaire cache update before considering a reinstall. Avoid reinstalling the app as your first step. If your account contains important progress or transaction information, make sure you know the correct login details before removing the app. If the same tournament bracket stays stuck after restarting the app, changing connections, updating Solitaire cache, and testing another tournament, the problem may be on the service side. In that case, contact Solitaire cache support and provide the tournament name, what the bracket is doing, and any error message shown on screen. The main fixes are simple. Restart Solitaire cache, refresh your connection, update the app, and test another tournament to identify where the problem is. Your next step is to completely close Solitaire cache and reopen the tournament before changing anything else. If this fixed the bracket, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.